Hey there, it's Miriam of All Trades. In this video, we're going to see how to embed videos and YouTube content on your Wix website. Now, embedding basically means putting the media or the video while it's being hosted on its original platform. So we're just sort of borrowing the content. It's different from adding it from media from right here because we're still hosting it on the original platform. Now, embedding a video or anything else usually requires an HTML code, and it's very easy to find one. So here I'm just going to show you how to embed just videos. You're going to go to YouTube or the video that you want to add to your website, and then you're going to click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, do not copy this code. This is a URL. Now we want an embed. An embed is made up of tags, and it looks something like this. It's a code, okay? So here is your code. All you have to do is click on copy. Now once you copy it, you're gonna go back to your Wix website and go to your left-handed menu right here and click on add elements. Now once you click on add elements, you're going to scroll down until you find embed code between list and social. Once you are on your embed code, just click on embed HTML, which is the most popular embed. And then once you do that, you're going to add your code. So here we have HTML settings, and then here you have add your code here. And then we're gonna right click, and then you have the paste. We're gonna paste our code. Then once you do it, you're going to click on update. It's gonna take a few seconds to show, and then here you have your embed video. I'm gonna show you why it's still being hosted on YouTube. So here is the video. And as you can see, the video is here, but you can see the YouTube icon. So it's still being hosted on YouTube. I'm going to click on preview just to show you how it looks like. And here is your video. So here you have the check out my new video. And then once I click on it, you can see the video, and it's still being hosted on YouTube. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful.